Hello everyone, we are the students of Maples Academy from class 7 and today we are going to perform an activity on the topic of Indian freedom fighters.
I am talking about Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi, born on 2 October 1869 in Porbandar, is remembered as the father of the nation in India. He led the freedom movement against British rule through the principle of truth, satya and non-violence ahimsa.
Hello everyone, I am Anmol. I am talk about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a paramount Indian freedom fighter known as the Iron Man of India for his role in uniting over 565 regional states into the Indian Union.
Hello everyone, I am Avni Tyagi and today I am going to talk about Lala Lajpat Rai. He was a great freedom fighter of India and was known as the Lion of Punjab. One very important thing that he did was to lead a peaceful protest against the Simon Commission protest because he did not want Britishers to rule India. During this he was badly injured, but even after that he continued to unite people with his kind words. He gave his life for the freedom of our country. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Anika. I am going to talk about Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose was born on 23rd January 1897. He was popularly known as Netaji. He was a great freedom fighter and nationalist. He fought for India's freedom with bravery. He formed the Indian National Army INA and is famous for the slogan, "Give me blood and I shall give you freedom." Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, I am Anika. I will talking about Rani Lakshmibai. Rani Lakshmibai was a great freedom fighter of India. She is also known as Jhansi Ki Rani. She was born in 19 November 1828, Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Her childhood name was Manikarnika. Manu. We love and respect her.
Sarojini Naidu was a great Indian freedom fighter, poet and a politician used to know as Bharat Kokila. She was the first Indian woman to become the president of Indian National Congress. She was born on 13 February 1879 in Hyderabad.
I am Aradhya Singh. I will talk about Chandrasekhar Azad. Chandrasekhar Azad was a great Indian freedom fighter. At just 15, he redefined the defiance by telling the magistrate his name as Azad, his father's name as Swatantrata and his address as jail. On February 27, 1931, he surrounded by the police at Alfred Park. He didn't surrender. He shot his last bullet on himself and ensured that he didn't even spend a single day in British prison. Thank you.
I am Tanvi Tyagi. I will talk about Bhagat Singh. Bhagat Singh is famous as a charismatic Indian revolutionary freedom fighter who was executed by the British authorities at the age of 23 in 1931. Bhagat Singh's most iconic slogan is Inqilab Zindabad.
I am Iba. I will talk about Ram Prasad Bismil. Ram Prasad Bismil is a legendary Indian revolution's is best known for the immortal poetic lines. सरफरोजी की तमन्ना अब हमारे दिल में है, देखना है जोर कितना बाजुए कातिल में है. Thank you.
Thank you for watching us.